Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a form in ConvertKit. Now, the first thing I want you to do is just log in to your dashboard on ConvertKit, and then just come here at the top menu, click on Grow. You'll get this drop down, and then just select Landing Pages and Forms. You should see the list of forms that you have right here. Okay, so you just go ahead and scroll down until you see all the forms. So these ones are forms, these are landing pages. All you need to do to duplicate any form, you can either click on it and duplicate it from there, or another easy way, you can just do it from here. You can click on these three dots and then just click on duplicate. There you go. And now the form will be duplicated in just about a second. Right here, we have come to this page. It says copy of Mills form. Okay. Now let's go back. I'll show you the other way to duplicate a form. So I've opened the original form. All you need to do is click on these three dots and then just click on duplicate. Okay? Then click on leave. That's literally all you have to do. And that is how you duplicate forms in ConvertKit.